Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly, it's never been much about you. Don't get me wrong, I think you're great. Root of tradition we celebrate. But oh, Christmas tree, more than anything, it's all the people around.
Once you have settled into this position, keep your hands in this position throughout this exercise. Bring your attention to the back of your head and really feel your hand on the back of your head. Feel the warmth. Feel the support that your hand gives you. Take a couple deep breaths and breathe into the support, knowing that you are held. And now bring to mind a problem you are experiencing right now, either with yourself or with someone else. Something that you would crave resolution to or just want to feel better about. And just in thinking about it, give a number of how intense it feels in your physical body or emotional body, 0 to 10, with 10 being the most intense and 0 being nothing at all. You can repeat after me or simply allow these statements to wash over you. This problem happened, but I'm safe now. The origins of this problem are healing now. The places in my body where this problem is held are healing now. The parts of me that have benefited from my having this problem are now healed. I forgive everyone I blamed, hurt as a result of this problem. I forgive everyone who hurt or blamed me. I integrate this healing now. And bring awareness to your middle finger that's resting over your third eye area, and just feel as the tension in your forehead melts as you do this. And imagine this area being filled with a powerful beam of light, and on the exhale, release that energy 360 degrees around you.